Hi friends, welcome to Vital Edge Partners, the place where we unlock endless possibilities to boost your income and discover exciting side hustles. I'm your host Ruben, and I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of building an online business, trade on stocks, and have the ability to live life on your own terms? Or are you even just looking for a simple remote online job to have a slight income boost? Well, you've come to the right place. At Vital Edge Partners, we're passionate about helping you level up your income and explore alternative ways to earn money. Our channel is packed with valuable content designed to inspire, educate, and empower you on your journey to financial success. We cover a wide range of topics, including proven strategies to boost your income, unique side hustles that you may not even have ever considered, and practical tips to make the most out of your resources. By subscribing to our channel, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure chest of income-boosting insights. You will be the first to know when we release new videos, ensuring you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks. Plus, our community of like-minded individuals is here to support and motivate you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now and become part of our growing community. Together, we will explore the endless opportunities to improve your income, create multiple streams of revenue, and unlock the financial freedom you deserve so that you have more time to spend doing what you want with the ones you love.